Today we are going to discuss some of the problems on Butterworth and Chebyshev filters. First problem: a digital low-pass filter is required to meet the following specifications. First one, 20 log of magnitude of h of omega at omega is equal to 0.25 is greater than or equal to minus 1.9328 decibels. 20 log of magnitude of h of omega at omega is equal to 0.65 is less than or equal to minus 13.9794 decibels. The filter must have a maximally flat frequency response find h of z to meet the above specifications using impulse invariant transformation. The following specifications for the digital filters are given. Kp is greater than or equal to minus 1.9328 decibels. Omega p is equal to 0.25 radian. Ks is less than or equal to minus 13.9794 decibels. Omega s is equal to 0.65 radian. So first we have to convert the band edge digital frequencies into analog frequencies using the formula ohm is equal to omega by t with t is equal to 1 second. Hence ohm p is equal to 0.25 radian per second. Kp is greater than or equal to minus 1.9328 decibels. Ohm s is equal to 0.65 radian per second. Ks is less than or equal to minus 13.9794 decibels. This is by assuming t is equal to 1 second. So a Butterworth analog filter is chosen as analog prototype to meet the maximally flat condition for the frequency response. Using the specifications given in step, we have to design an analog low-pass filter HA of S. So we can take Kp is equal to minus 1.9328 decibels. Ks is minus 13.9794 decibels to find the value of n. So the formula to calculate n is equal to log of 10 to the power minus Kp by 10 or minus 0.1 Kp minus 1 divided by 10 to the power minus Ks by 10 minus 1. whole thing is divided by 2 log of ohm P by ohm S. So after substituting the values and after simplification, we get n as 1.7. So rounding off it to the next integer value, we get n is equal to 2. Then the poles of second order normalized low pass Butterworth filter are, we know Sk is equal to 1 at an angle of theta k, where theta k is equal to pi by n into k plus pi by 2n plus pi by 2, where k varies from 0, 1 up to 2n minus 1. So for k, two different values, we have to calculate 0 and 1. We will get Sk. First value we get minus 0.707 plus 0.707J, and second one minus 0.707 minus 0.707J. Hence, H2 of S is equal to 1 divided by S minus Sk. This is for left hand side pole only, okay, which is equal to 1 divided by S minus S naught into S minus S1, which is equal to 1 divided by S plus 0.707 minus J 0.707 into S plus 0.707 plus J 0.707 is equal to 1 divided by S plus 0.707 square plus 0.707 whole square. So J square is minus 1, so minus of minus it becomes positive, which is equal to 1 divided by S square plus 1.414S plus 1. Let us find the cutoff frequency OMC to meet the pass band requirement. That is ohm C is equal to ohm P divided by 10 to the power minus 0.1 kp minus 1 to the power 1 by 2n, which is equal to, we get 0.7255 radian per second. Then the required low pass analog prototype is obtained by applying frequency transformation, by applying low pass to low pass frequency transformations. To H2 of S. That is HA of S is equal to H2 of S at S is replaced by S by ohm C, or HA of S is equal to 1 divided by S square plus 1.414S plus 1, replace S by 0.7255, which is equal to 1 divided by S divided by 0.7255 whole square plus 1.414 into S divided by 0.7255 plus 1, which is equal to 0.52635 divided by S square plus 1.02586 plus 0.52635, which is equal to 0.52635 divided by s square plus 1.02586s plus 0.26397 minus 0.26397 plus 0.52635. This is using impulse invariant technique, which is equal to 1 by 1.0259 into 0.513082 divided by s plus 0.5129298 whole square plus 0.513082 whole square. Now let us design h of z using impulse invariant transformation with t is equal to 1 second. We know that v divided by s plus a whole square plus b square, impulse invariant technique. The formula we know, e power minus at sin bt into z inverse divided by 1 minus 2 into e power minus at cos bt z inverse plus e power minus 2 at z to the power minus 2. Hence, h of z is equal to 1.0259 into e power minus 0.5129298 sin 0.513082 z inverse divided by 1 minus 2 into e power minus 0.5129298 cos 0.513082 z inverse plus e power minus 2 into e power minus 280 is there, e power minus 2 into 0.5129298 z to the power minus 2, which is equal to 0.301512 z inverse divided by 1 minus 1.0433 z inverse plus 0.3585 z to the power minus 2. Next problem, design a digital Chebyshev type 1 filter that satisfies the following constraints. 0.8 less than or equal to magnitude of h of omega less than or equal to 1, where omega varies between 0 to 0.25, h of omega less than or equal to 0.2, 0.65 less than or equal to omega less than or equal to 5. Use impulse invariant transformation. The given specifications, passband ripple delta p is equal to 1 minus 0.8, which is equal to 0.2, and stop band tolerance delta S is equal to 0.2. And pass band edge frequency omega p is 0.2 pi radians. Stop band edge frequency omega s is 0.6 pi radians. So first we have to convert the band edge digital frequency into analog frequencies using ohm is equal to omega by t, with t is equal to 1 second. Hence ohm p is equal to 0.2 pi radian per second, and delta p is 0.2. Kp is 20 log of 1 minus delta p, which is equal to minus 1.94 decibels. Ohm s is equal to 0.65 radian per second. Delta s is 0.2, and Ks is equal to 20 log of delta s, which is equal to minus 14 decibels. Next, we have to calculate D. The formula is D is equal to root of 1 minus delta P to the power minus 2 minus 1 divided by delta S to the power minus 2 minus 1. If you put the values, you will get the value as 0.153. We know that K is equal to ohm P by ohm S, which is equal to 0.33. Now we have to find out the order of the filter when n is greater than or equal to cos hyperbolic inverse of 1 by d and cos hyperbolic inverse of 1 by k, where n is greater than or equal to 1.446. So we have to take next integer value n as 2. We know that 1 minus delta p is equal to 1 divided by root of 1 plus epsilon square, or epsilon is equal to 0.75, and we have to calculate the value of a. 1 by 2 into 1 plus root of 1 plus epsilon square by epsilon to the power 1 by n minus half into 1 plus root of 1 plus epsilon square by epsilon to the power minus 1 by n, which is equal to 0.57735. Similarly, b is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 plus root of 1 plus epsilon square to the by epsilon to the power 1 by n plus half into 1 plus root of 1 plus epsilon square by epsilon to the power minus 1 by n, which is equal to 1.1547. Then sigma k is minus ak sine 2k minus 1 into pi by 2 n, where k varies from 1 to 4. And ohm k is equal to b cos 2k minus 1 into pi by 2 n. K varies from 1 to 4. So for different values of k, k 1, 2, 3, 4, we have to calculate sigma k, we have to calculate ohm k, we have to write sk. So for k is equal to 1, we'll get sigma k as minus 0.0 4082481 ohm k as 0.8164962 and Sk is minus 0.4082481 plus J 0.8164962. For k is equal to 2, we'll get same answer. Sigma k is minus 0.8164962 and here it is minus 0.4082481 minus J 0.8164962 and for k is equal to 3 we get 0.4082481. Here we'll get negative value 0.4082481 minus J 0.8164962 and once again here we'll get positive value, here we'll get positive value 0.8164962 0.4082481 plus J 0.8164962. Hence H2 of S is equal to Kn divided by only left hand side poles we have to consider S minus Sk which is equal to Kn divided by S minus S1 into S minus S2 which is equal to Kn divided by S plus 0.4082 minus J 0.8164 into S plus 0.4082 plus J 0.8164962 which is equal to Kn divided by S plus 0.4082481 whole square plus 0.8164962 whole square which is equal to Kn divided by S square plus 0.8164962 S plus 0.8333 where k we know that Kn is equal to B naught divided by root of 1 plus epsilon square is equal to 0.8333 divided by root of 1 plus 0.75 whole square equal to 0.667. Then H2 of S becomes 0.667 divided by S square plus 0.8164962S plus 0.83333. Now the cutoff frequency ohmp should be equal to 0.25 radian per second. So we'll apply low pass to low pass transformation on H2 of S and to get HA of S, that is HA of S is equal to H2 of S at S is equal to S divided by 0.25 which is equal to 0.667 divided by S plus S divided by 0.25 whole square plus 0.8164962 into S divided by 0.25 plus 0.83333, which is equal to 0.263321 divided by S square plus 0.51302S plus 0.32899, which is equal to 0.263321 divided by S plus 0.25651 whole square plus 0.51302 whole square, which is equal to 0.263321 divided by 0.51302 into 0.51302 divided by S plus 0.2561651 whole square plus 0.51302 whole square, which is equal to 0.513276 into 0.51302 divided by S plus 0.25651 whole square plus 0.51302 whole square. Let us design H of Z using IIT with T is equal to, once again, that is, this is in the form of B divided by S plus A whole square plus B square. We know that impulse invariant transformation of this is e power minus AT sin BT Z inverse divided by 1 minus 2 into e power minus AT cos BT Z inverse plus 2 into e power minus AT Z to the power minus 2. Hence, H of Z is equal to 0.513276 into e power minus 0.25651 sin 0.51302 Z inverse divided by 1 minus 2 into e power minus 0.25651 cos 0.51302 Z inverse plus e power minus 2 into 0.25651 Z to the power minus 2, which is equal to 0.19492 Z inverse divided by 1 minus 1.34828 Z inverse plus 0.598685 Z to the power minus 2, which is the required answer. Next problem, design a digital filter H of Z that when used in an A to D H of Z D to A converter gives an equivalent analog filter with the following specifications: pass band ripple less than or equal to 3.01 decibels, pass band edge 500 Hz. Stop band attenuation greater than or equal to 15 decibels. Stop band edge 750 Hz. And sample rate is 2 kHz. The filter is to be designed by performing bilinear transformation on an analog system function. Use Butterworth prototype filter. So it is given, the specifications are given. Ohm P is 2 pi into 500, that is 1005 radian per second. Kp is minus 3.01 decibels. Ohm S is 2 pi into 750, which is equal to 1.5 pi into 1000 radian per second. Kp is equal to minus 15 decibels. And also T value is given 1 divided by Fs, that is 1 divided by 2 kilohertz seconds. So first we have to obtain digital specifications. Then omega p, we know that ohm p into T, which is equal to 1005 into 1 divided by 2000. That means it is 0.5 pi radian. Then Kp is minus 3.01 decibels. Omega S is ohm S into T, which is equal to 1.5 pi into 10 to the power 3 into 1 divided by 2000, which is equal to 0.75 pi radian. Ks is minus 15 decibels. Now we have to pre-warp the band edge frequencies. Using T is equal to 1 second. That is ohm dash P or ohm star P 2 by T tan omega P by 2, which is equal to 2 with Kp is equal to minus 3.01 decibels. Ohm dash S, which is equal to 2 by T tan omega S by 2, which is equal to 4.8282 with Ks is minus 15 decibels. Now we have to design analog low pass filter H of S with the pre-warped specifications. For that we have to calculate N1 log of 10 to the power minus 0.1 Kp minus 1 divided by 10 to the power minus 0.1 Ks minus 1 whole thing is divided by 2 log of ohm dash P divided by ohm dash S, which is equal to 1.944. We have to take next integer value, that is n is equal to 2. Then we have to find out cutoff frequency with the passband specifications. Ohm C is equal to ohm dash P divided by 10 to the power minus 0.1 Kp minus 1 to the power 1 by 2n which is equal to 2 radians per second. We know that h2 of s is equal to 1 divided by s square plus root 2 of s plus 1. Therefore, we have to find out h of s, that is h2 of s. We have to replace s by 2, which is equal to 1 divided by s square plus root 2 of s plus 1. Replace s by 2, which is equal to 4 divided by s square plus 2 root 2 of s plus 4. Now apply bilinear transformation with the t is equal to 1 second to get h of z. That is h of z is equal to h of s at s is equal to replace 2 by t into 1 minus z inverse divided by 1 plus z inverse, which is equal to 4 divided by 2 into 1 minus z inverse divided by 1 plus z inverse whole square plus 2 root 2 into 2 into 1 minus z inverse divided by 1 plus z inverse plus 4, which is equal to, after simplification we get 1 plus 2 z inverse plus z to the power minus 2 divided by 3.4142 plus 0.5858 z to the power minus 2, which is equal to 1 plus z inverse whole square divided by 3.4142 plus 0.5858 z to the power minus 2, which is the required answer.